Today from my messy office, something I don't usually do, an unboxing. How exciting is that? So I don't do a whole lot of unboxing videos, but we've got the Raymcraft wireless keyboard for the iPad mini 6th and 7th. Here's my 7th gen iPad mini. And so that's what this is for. Let's take a peek. What's inside? I'm betting it contains probably a case wrapped in something and probably a USB cable. So flip her over there, kind of turn it around, slice up the plastic. I think the reason I don't do unboxing videos very often is you can only do them once. And once it's open, it's open. So we've got the stuff peeled off. And I think this particular keyboard comes in a bunch of different colors just based on the end box here. You can see, I think this one's silver, but we'll find out when we get it open. So raise it up, shake, shake, shake. Out you come. And there we go. And so we've got the inside, we've got a instruction manual, user guide for the wireless keyboard. We have a charge cable here. We'll pop this out. There we go. Leave that there temporarily. That charge cable out. We've got our keyboard comes out, and oh, this one's powder blue, kind of powder blue. There we go. And inside here we've got, there's your wireless keyboard, and off comes the artificially simulated iPad-like foam pad that kind of fits it in. It's actually got some instructions in here. This one's got a trackpad, so we've got that, and it's got QA/QC in here. This is the type of keyboard, the fake laptop keyboard that spins around. If you want to use it in portrait mode, you use it like that. So we'll put that back around here like that, and see what else is in the box. We've got a charge cable, betting it's just a USB A to C, probably, be my bet. And sure enough, it's a USB A to C cable. And so that's what's in the box, and pretty decent cable, half decent cable. See how complicated the wiring guide is. Just basically pretty simple. So there you go. That's what it looks like when you're inside the Raymcraft wireless keyboard multi-touch case with the trackpad for the iPad mini. Hope you found that interesting. Stick around and keep an eye on the channel, and you'll see a review of that keyboard case. And in the meantime, thanks for watching, and hang out in my messy office with me.